Good afternoon, everyone. Mark down in Cornwall again. Just doing a little quick walk today. Walking near a place near St Mauls down in Cornwall. It's about 3 miles away from St Mauls. We better get going here. I'm just on a footpath here, so whoops, no, fell over. We're in a place called St Justin, Roseland, trying to get to a church down here. I've never been here myself, so it's all new to me, just exploring the area here. St Justin, Roseland, it's near a little tidal pool. Sun's just getting out a little bit, brightening up. Now, on this footpath, we should be walking past the Holy Well of St Just. In fact, I think I could have walked past it. So just show the view beside me. And you see the church just through the trees there. That's a lovely view there. What I was saying about the St Just Holy Well, we found it. So there you go, St Just Holy Well. So I think just up here. So we explore just up here. It says it's deep water in this well. Let me see. It's fairly deep, but I can see the bottom. Legend has it, Joseph of Arimathea brought Jesus to St Just. Got some steps going up here. I think these go around the gardens. There's quite a few gardens just around this church, I think. So we'll make our way to the church now. I think this present church was consecrated in 1261, and I think it's one of the most visited churches in Cornwall. I can imagine summertime you would get quite a few people walking and exploring this church. It's got some lot of subtropical plants here. Most of these planted by a chap by the name of John Betjeman in the 19th century. He introduced most of the subtropical plants around St Just. That's a great view up there. So you got the tower there, church tower. So we step back from the church. Oh, wonderful view there. It's a little bit breezy today. I was hoping it was going to be sheltered in this valley. Seen a couple of people walking. So we go, tried the door here, but yeah, church closed because of the current restrictions. Fortunately closed. But we can explore the outside of the church and explore the gardens. Lovely winding pathway going up here. We've got some old gravestones here. I think it was 1881, that one is. Albert E. Vincent. This one's a bit more recent, 1960. It's a beautiful tree behind me there. The little bit of research I'd done before I came here, apparently Sir John Betjeman, this exploring all the English churches, remarked on this church. Many people believe this to be the prettiest church on earth. Now, I've seen a couple of churches in Cornwall, and I've seen ones just as nice as that one, in beautiful locations. Lovely colours in this churchyard. Now these in front of me here, quotations from the Bible. Greater love hath no man than this, that a man lay down his life for his friends. You are my friends, if ye do whatsoever I command you. And we've got other ones here, beside these lovely flowers. The kiss of the sun for pardon, the song of the birds for mirth, You are nearer God's heart in a garden than anywhere else on earth. Just be careful of these steps here. I'll go flying. Go flying for a trip over here. We've got other gravestones on the banks here, on the benches here. Just to sit a while, look over the river. Right, everyone, just gonna make my way back now. I'm gonna say goodbye to this idyllic area. If you ever get a chance to come down to Cornwall, St Justin, Roseland, near Falmouth, just a couple of miles away from St Mawes, and the church is beautiful. It's lovely, and it's a wonderful location. It's really worth a visit. So, and it's been a great trip here, and yeah, come here. It's stunning, and I'm going to make my way back now and say goodbye. So take care, everyone, and catch everyone later. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.